Venngage Affiliate Program Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to the Venngage Affiliate Program Review. In today's video, I'll be sharing my experience with the Venngage Affiliate Program, its features, and who it's designed for. Don't forget, links to the program are in the description below if you're ready to get started. Venngage is a design tool that specializes in creating visually stunning infographics, presentations, reports, and other data-driven visuals. Whether you're a business owner, marketer, educator, or content creator, Venngage makes it easy to design professional-looking visuals with just a few clicks. No graphic design experience required. The Venngage Affiliate Program is an excellent way to earn passive income by promoting a product that adds real value to your audience. The program offers competitive commissions, with affiliates earning a percentage of each sale referred. On top of that, Venngage provides a 30-day cookie window, which means you can earn commissions from sales made up to 30 days after someone clicks on your link. Venngage offers both free and premium subscription plans. The free plan gives users access to basic features, while the premium plans offer more advanced tools, additional templates, and enhanced design options. As an affiliate, you can target a broad range of users, from beginners to advanced professionals, with the flexibility of promoting either the free or paid plans. The affiliate program is easy to join and provides affiliates with a variety of marketing materials, such as banners, text links, and pre-made social media posts to help you get started. With these resources, you can effectively promote Venngage on your website, blog, or social media accounts. Overall, the Venngage Affiliate Program is a great option for anyone who wants to promote a powerful design tool while earning a commission. With its user-friendly interface and wide appeal across various industries, you'll have no trouble reaching your target audience. If you're looking for a way to generate income by recommending a tool that truly helps users create high-quality designs, this is the program for you. Be sure to check out the links in the description to get started. And thanks for watching.